What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to find something to do on Off-Road Outlaw. So just be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll pick y'all back up whenever we get done. Okay, guys, we made it to the track. Let's get ready to start racing some people. So today we brought the Hellcat. I want to see if this guy on the 69 Camaro right here will want to race me. The tow rig truck today is the 2020 F450, and we got the trailer. Alright, let's get in and see if this guy on the 69 Camaro would want to race. I was going to bring the good old Nova dragger, but I forgot it.
It's really heavy. I don't know you. I don't think I can help you in that area. You just need a hand to hold this while I'm doing it. This is exactly the time for us. Yeah, right. No, man. It's a cooler.
Actually, trying to swim off. Get ready in 1 minute. Yeah.
Well, we won that one, guys. Oh, I accidentally clicked the wrong button. Well, we are gonna we're gonna head back to the house, and we're gonna get the Nova. We're gonna come back tonight and race. Pick y'all back up whenever we get the Nova. Alright, guys, we made it down here at the track today. I was gonna be down here last night, but I couldn't make it because I went riding with my buddies, and I had to upload a YouTube video, edit it. But today we're back at the track. I brought something different than the Hellcat. Hellcat wasn't that good. So let's see. Pull right up here. Hold on, let me put the camera down so I can get the cars out. Okay, well, got the whip out. Here's the truck, F450, of course. Nice deep dish rims. Paid about $50K for it. Here's the trailer. This is the rig. Come over here. Here's somebody's Dodge. I don't like it. Here's my Nova. Will Smokey anybody. I'm not sure if he's here to race or not. Let's go check out the track. Here's the track. Yep. Down here is just anything really. You see track blinds, so you can watch all the good stuff. You know what I mean. Here's the off-road one for the Baja trucks. Come down here. Here's where we're gonna be racing at. I'll see if he'll race me in his Dodge. Not sure. Let me head back to my truck. Oh, here's a drag four-wheeler. We're gonna race him. I'm gonna get the keys out of the truck. Oh, boys. Alright, we got the keys, so let's go over here and get the Nova. Yeah, warm those tires up. Whoa, I hit dirt. Gotta warm those good old tires. I just told it. Alright, well, I think the tires ought to be warmed up by now. We'll do a practice run and see what we get. Oh, he just hit me. This is the Grinch mobile. It's the Grinch bean. I reckon we're gonna race him. Let's see how this turns out, boys. He didn't even tell us when. Alright, we're gonna turn around. I think he wants to race back. He already go? Where did he go? We'll just do a pull, I guess. We'll do a 10 pull. 10. I don't know what y'all like for me to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna post this video. I'm not sure yet. It might come up. It might get posted around. What's today? It's today. It might get posted around 4 o'clock. I'm not sure yet. I'll probably post this one. I'll make another one. What do y'all want to see? Let's see. What's my Snapchat? Okay. Well, I'm not sure what to do. Okay. Well, look, I'll catch y'all later. Oh, sorry guys, I had to pick up the camera real quick. There's this drag four-wheeler right here. He wants to race me. I don't know what engine he has in it yet, so sorry for the hold-up. I won. Just by a hair. Come on, big boss, what you got? Right lane, won by a hair. Okay, I won. Here we are. Ah, crap. I won, I just didn't want to hit that other car. Alright, I'll pick. Let's see. Let me think of what we can do for a good video. Y'all put in the comments what would be a good video, what y'all want to see off my channel. I'm just curious, like more Offroad Outlaw stuff or hunting stuff, or I mean it is hunt season, so I could go out and go hunting. I only have a bow though, I ain't got a rifle. Yeah, just put in the comments what y'all want to see on my channel, and Catch y'all later. Bye. Okay, what's up, guys? I'm gonna show y'all my storage, like my garage. Here's my trailer. I got this truck. Here's this car, the Camaro, my dream car actually. And then the old Hellcat. It's pretty fast, but not fast enough. I can sell it for $90K if I wanted to, easy, but I don't want to. This truck right here, my dad actually has this truck in real life. He made it flatbed. It was our project truck together. The little spots right here made it look like rust. He's gonna make it straight popped. So I named it the old rust bucket, but he named it green bean. And then here's my favorite truck right here. Then I got my good old yellow truck, the banana mobile. I like the flags. This is from when I was a member. Can't afford it no more, but it's still fine. You don't have to be a member to have fun. You know what I mean? And then, well, I was thinking go trail riding. So I'll pick the camera back up whenever I get ready to go trail ride. Catch y'all later. Bye.